¿Cómo están? Excelente. And welcome back to Learning with Senor Cow Cow. Here we are back in the classroom. Okay, well, at least I am. So let's go ahead and do our warm up for today. Okay, write each sentence with a direct object pronoun instead of writing the actual direct object. So, for example, number one, what your words are going to mean is we eat it. And what we're thinking about is pizza, but we're not going to say the word pizza. That's the whole point. And at the bottom, you have to answer the question with a direct object pronoun. Okay, clase, saquen papel y practiquen. Pause the video now. Okay, we eat it. La comemos. He buys them. Los compra. Do you drink it? Lo bebes. Add one more of these. We listen to you. Te escuchamos. I need to read it. So you could have written this one of two ways. You don't have to write both, but you could have said, lo necesito leer, necesito leerlo. Answer the question using a direct object pronoun in your answer. ¿Tienes tu maleta? Sí, la tengo. Do you have your suitcase? Yes, I have it. I have it. Okay? All right. So, your test over this is going to be on Friday. It will cover direct object pronouns and it will review your airport travel vocabulary. So you need to refresh yourself on words like suitcase and passport and things like that. Okay? All right, next, I'm going to go back over the notes. These are the same notes from yesterday. And let's have a look here. Okay, direct object pronouns, DOPs. This is me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. And these are used to replace things, to replace direct objects. Okay, and again, me is for me, te is for you, lo is for he or it, la is for she or it, nos is us, os is y'all in Spain, and then los and las is either them or you all. Okay? All right, so direct object pronouns are used to replace the direct object in a sentence. A direct object is whatever receives the action of the verb. Simply put, whatever the verb is talking about. If the verb is see, it's what you see. If the verb is eat, it's what you eat. For example, I eat the cookie. Eat is the verb, so the cookie is the direct object. In Spanish, I have the dogs is tengo los perros. When we take out los perros, the direct object, and use a direct object pronoun, now it says los tengo. I have them. So it went from tengo los perros, I have the dog, to los tengo, I have them. And as I said before, we do this to avoid repetition. A direct object pronoun matches what it replaces in number and gender, and you put it right before the verb. For example, if we take out the word fruta, we put la. If we take out the word amigos, we put los, because that's masculine and plural. And again, like I said, we put it right before the verb. Las necesitamos. Lo quiere. That's the only place you can put it if you're just working with one verb. We need the cookies. Necesitamos las galletas. We need them. Las necesitamos. She wants the cat. Quiere el gato. She wants it. Lo quiere. All right, we did those examples. Those were on yesterday's video. They're really useful when it comes to answering people's questions. ¿Dónde está mi libro? ¿Lo tienes? No lo tengo. ¿Tienes mi calculadora? Sí, la tengo. And the last concept is two verbs, two ways. If there are two verbs in the sentence holding hands and working together, like I need to buy or he's going to eat, then you can write this one of two ways. I want to buy it. So, el carro is going to be lo. So you can say lo quiero comprar or quiero comprarlo. You can put the direct object pronoun before the two verbs or attached to the second one. Never ever in the middle. We did our examples. Again, you can write it either way. Los necesito leerlos. Either way is fine. Again, native speakers are typically going to say the second way because it flows better. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over your worksheet. Let's have a look. So this was the sheet that I put on Google Classroom. And let's go over the answers. I need the books. I need them. Necesito los libros. Los necesito. Tenemos la calculadora. La tenemos. He buys dogs. He buys them. Compra perros or compra los perros. And then los compra. They see us and I see you. Oops, hold on. Oh my gosh, too many symbols. They see us. Nos ven y te veo. Ellos nos ven y yo te veo. Again, anything in parentheses is optional. Ellos nos ven y yo te veo. Nos ven y te veo. They see us and I see you, so whatever. All right, now answer with a pronoun. ¿Tienes la novela? Sí, la tengo. Do you have the novel? Yes, I have it. ¿Venden ellos libros? Sí, los venden. Yes, they sell them. ¿Necesitas mi bolígrafo? Sí, lo necesito. I need it. ¿Ves a Pablo? No, no lo veo. You see Pablo? No, I don't see him. Okay, referring to el pan, bread. Write 3 sentences about what people do with it. You could say something like, yo lo compro. Mis amigos lo venden. And 2, lo compras. No, se comes. Yo lo compro. I buy it. Mis amigos lo venden. My friends sell it. Tú lo comes. You eat it. Okay, Carlos watches them. This would be Carlos los mira. They need us. Nos necesitan. I have it. The only choice is la because el is not an option. It would have to be lo. We understand Pablo. Lo. My friend listens to me. Me. We call you. Te. Actually, could be la as well, actually, if you're being formal. Maria borrowed the books. Los would be for libros. And I took the kids to the park. Las. Now we know they're all little girls. Okay? Is that the only one? Let me see. Yes. Okay. Replace the bold-faced words in each sentence with a direct object pronoun. Los estudiantes prefieren los jeans. Los estudiantes los prefieren. We take out falda and we say la. We take out a blusa and we say la again. ¿Tienes muchos amigos? Los tienes. Las gatas would be las. And then a nosotros would be nos hablan. And finally, change these so that they have a pronoun. So, prefiero leer el libro. I prefer to read the book. Ellos necesitan comer la ensalada. They need to eat the salad. Finally, ¿quieres hacer la tarea? ¿La quieres hacer? ¿Quieres hacerla? Do you want to do it? And the answer is no, because no one wants to do homework. Unless you just really enjoy it, who knows? Okay, now 2 more quick things and we'll be off. All right, I'm going to show you a song, but I think I'll show it to you tomorrow in person. We'll do that. Hold on. Let me box this up for now. We'll do the song tomorrow when I'm with you. Okay, now the last thing for you is a practice. So because I'm not with you today, I have created this little tiny URL, and you go to, all right, so if you go to tinyurl.com/practice-DOP, you don't have to capitalize anything, but I just made it easier to read. If you go there, here's where it will take you. Here's where it will take you. You type that in, and it takes you right here to this Study Spanish webpage, and you just choose the correct option, and you keep doing that. These you type in, and then those you answer. And at the very end, you hit Submit My Answers, and it will let you know if you got them right or what you did wrong. Okay, that's why I chose this instead of giving you like another worksheet or writing activity or something like that. Okay. All right. Well, I will see you next time. Adios.